consists of an axle, 8 spokes, and a rim shown below, then we are told that this particular object that we are having here is moving in a circular motion. Then we need to be able to find the speed, linear speed. And we say that linear speed is given by omega times what? Omega times the radius. Radius times the angular speed. You will be able to get the linear speed, which is going to be 0.85. You can see here the radius is 0.85 and the angular speed was given also in this particular question as 140 radians. Then in order to work out the speed, you are supposed to say speed, linear speed is radius times the angular speed, and then that is going to become that centripetal acceleration is given by angular speed squared times the radius, or linear speed squared over the radius. Now, since we have gotten the linear speed here, we can be able to get the centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration is going to be the linear speed that we have gotten here squared divided by the radius of this particular rim that we are talking about, and that is going to become 1.7 times 10 raised to power 4. But remember, in this case, you are taking the linear speed squared divided by the radius of this particular rim that we are talking about here. So basically, that's what you're going to do. This is going to be a question for the next part, so that you can be able to see how do you deal with questions which are circular motion questions inside a cone, because we are having a cone and then there is a ball that is moving in a circular path. So in our next session, that's exactly what we are going to look at. But the most aspect and the most important thing that we are talking in this particular lesson is that for you to work out questions to do with circular motion, you ought to understand different formulas that we have highlighted here. And we have said angular speed is calculated by this particular formula here, or you can be able to say angular speed is 2 pi f, or angular speed is equals to pi e. And also you can be able to say angular displacement is the arc length divided by the radius of that circular path. Also, don't forget the concept of linear speed, because an object which is moving in a circular path has linear speed and angular speed, and that is going to be equivalent to V is equals to RW.